Business flow for industrial companies in Motakamel ERP. As an industrial company, you will have outside players such as customers, vendors, or suppliers. But inside your organization you will have various departments which will implement Motakamel ERP. These departments will be Sales Department, Marketing Department, Inventory Department, Purchasing Department, Account Receivable Department, Account Payable Department, Costing Department, Financial Department, Manufacturing Department, Production Planning Department, Maintenance Department, Quality Department, Human Resources Department, and Fleet Management Department. Motakamel Sales and Distribution Module will help you to manage your sales cycle starting from quotation till sales orders. After receiving the request for quotation from a customer, you will be able to get the situation for the finished goods that available to promise from Stock Control Module. Or, from Production Planning Module you can get automatically the planned orders that available to promise. Then, you will be able to send quotation to your customer. And, once you receive the sales order, automatically the sales module will send it to the Production Planning Module. Our Production Planning Module will help you to manage your sales orders and your forecasting. The Production Planning Module will also get automatically the forecasting for finished goods needed to be produced from the Marketing Department. Once the Production Planning Module have both of the sales orders and the forecasting, the Production Planning Module will check automatically the availability of the raw materials needed accordingly to the bill of materials of the finished goods with the Inventory Module. The Production Planning Module will check automatically the scheduled receipts of the previous purchase orders which have been sent to your vendors or suppliers with the Purchasing Module. Also, the Production Planning Module will have automatically the lead time for the raw materials which are shortage than needed. The Production Planning Module will check automatically the availability of the shop floor capacity with the Manufacturing Module. The Production Planning Module will check automatically the availability of the Human Resources with the Human Resources Module. At the end of the process of gathering information which held in the Production Planning Module, it will check automatically any maintenance plan regarding to the resources which will be needed to fulfill the production plan with the Preventive Maintenance Module. After the process of gathering information which held in the Production Planning Module, it will first reserve automatically the available raw materials needed to fulfill the production. The Production Planning Module will automatically issue purchase requests to the Purchasing Module regarding the shortage of raw materials to be processed. The Production Planning Module will automatically issue production orders to the Production Module to be processed. Our Purchasing Module will help you to manage your purchase orders and the quotations. The Purchasing Module will process the purchase requests which have been sent from the Production Planning Module by first send request for quotations to your vendors or suppliers. Then will receive the quotations to awarding the according to various aspects like price, terms of payments and quality to choose from them. After that, the Purchase Module will send a purchase orders to the awarded vendors or suppliers. The vendors or suppliers will send the raw materials according to the purchase order which has been sent from the Purchase Module, and either the vendors or suppliers send them directly to your factory or it will be shipped by your fleet by the Fleet Management Module. The Quality Module will determine the approved raw material, which will be inspected according to the approved specs you have recorded for each raw materials in the Quality Module, and will be delivered to the Inventory Module. The Inventory Module will issue the raw materials which will be needed to fulfill the production plan to the Production Module to be processed. The Production Module will process the manufacturing orders and also record every transaction regarding to the manufacturing orders, also record the worker productivity which it may use to issue bonuses to the worker in the Human Resources Module. The Production Module will also record the finished goods which have been produced, and send them to the quality module to be inspected, which will be inspected according to the approved specs you have recorded for each finished goods in the quality module, and will be delivered to the inventory module. The inventory module will issue the finished goods needed to fulfill the sales orders. Either the customers receive them directly from your factory or it will be shipped by your fleet through the fleet management module. Also, the preventive maintenance module will work as a combine of planning module and production module, which it will check the availability of the spare parts and human resources needed to fulfill the maintenance plan, and also sent a purchase request to purchasing module to process. The preventive maintenance module will process the maintenance work order and record every transaction regarding to them. The costing module will receive both the estimated and actual costing of the raw materials from the inventory module. The costing module will receive both the estimated and actual production timing and process of the production orders process from the production module. The costing module will receive both the estimated and actual expenses of the production orders process from the financial module. The costing module will calculate the actual costing of the production orders regarding cost of the raw materials, actual production periods and the actual costs, then it will assign them to every finished goods produced. The Human Resources Suite will trace every aspects regarding their employees until reaching the salaries, which will transfer automatically to the financial module. The account receivable will record the issued invoices and its payments for the customers. Also, the account payable will record the received invoices and its payments for the vendors or suppliers. Both account receivable and account payable will transfer automatically the transactions to the financial module. The financial module, beside receiving all the transactions from subsidiary modules, have the ability to record any other journal entries which will eventually lead to the KPI reports and financial statements reports.